Yeah, people, and welcome back to my channel. As you hear me, I say, my name is Alex Francis, and for those who don't know, please subscribe to my channel and just give this video a like. As you hear me, I say, yeah, right now we just burn some weed and I'm telling you some frost dog. So, me dey in my sister house, isn't it? You can see my little sister room, this isn't it? Isn't it? My little sister room. So, please maybe just drop a like on the video before we start. We're watching TV, you know what I mean? See remote people watching TV. Just start, you know what I mean? So. No man. So yeah people, I'm watching TV. You can see you see me? You can see me, see ya. I watch Alisa, you see me bro? Alisa from Canada. Jayde.
Yay! Okay, these are some of their leggings. I have a couple pairs of their leggings actually. I really like their quality. Like they're so soft. Like it doesn't actually make any sense.
From this one. That is my channel. The main one I want, Jayde, Chanda. See you, baby. You I need, girl. You I need. I love you, Jayde, Chanda. So people, yeah, I watch it. Yeah. My sister room, sister room, so this video now I'm going to so there we go. This is my sister house.
Okay, this week I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I'm just vlogging at the airport. I'm not a big fan of vlogging at the airport, but my morning is turning out so far. This is the only airport that I have. And I have to park my car, which I honestly hate parking my car if I'm being honest. But I'm gonna get my stuff together, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys at the gate and I'll give you guys a proper introduction. But honestly, I dread vlogging anywhere out. I hate it. But I'm gonna take you guys with me this week, okay? You're gonna get to see a week in the life of Jayde. We landed in Chicago. This is not